Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to download a movie from internet just for free. First of all, open your internet browser and try it. Download free utorrent. Select the top result. Download now and save your software. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Okay, the software is now downloaded. Now just run the software. Next, I agree, and give him a path to where to save the software. Next, install. Yes. See, the software is installed. This is a sample. Cancel and minimize. Now you are going to select your favorite movie. For example, I'm going to write Lord of the Rings. Just write extra torrent. Okay, I'm going to start from ISO. It's a nice website, torrent website. Okay, now select your top result which having a lot of seeds. Okay, and click on download.torrent. Save your file. This is a file of your movie, and open it in your torrent. See, these are the movie files, the second and the third. Click OK, and downloading will start. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe to Computer Problem Solutions on Facebook. Thank you.